Oh my god,
They don't see it.
It goes with my, they can't see it.
That's not
Look,
fair.
it's from my tablet. I'm so excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a review on this tablet case that I received from Werner Pie. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. They were so kind enough to send me this tablet case with a keyboard connected, you guys. And you don't even understand how helpful that is. I'm gonna be doing a review on their case, and I'm also gonna be showing you guys a little demo of how to use it. It's really easy to connect and all that good stuff. So yeah, they literally are so cool. The company is amazing. Their products are amazing. They have things for Apple and Android products. Specifically this A7 Lite case that I have, the 8.7 inch tablet. So, and also case. I literally have this tablet case, right? Amazing, great, served me its purpose, and I can still use this tablet case if I want to, because guess what? The keyboard detaches from the actual case, you guys. Like, look at this. I can literally put it right back on its magnet, so it'll stick right on, and then I can type away and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys all of that today. I already connected my tablet. As soon as I got the package, I was like, wait, I literally took it apart. It came in this box, and they also had it in this package just to make sure. Oh, I didn't even realize there was something else in here. I took the case out so fast. It comes with 2 chargers. That's actually really cool. They gave me 2 chargers, you guys. So yeah, that's great for the actual keyboard. I didn't even know this. I didn't even know it came with a charger, so that's great because I already have like the charger, you know, the basic Samsung charger, the old one. So they gave me 2 of them. I'm actually shocked. I didn't know it came with chargers. But yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use it and all that good stuff. And ignore my setup. I was currently working on some bags for my granny square bags. So enough talking, let's get into this. Okay, first thing first, the actual keyboard detaches, which you guys saw earlier, and it has a whole bunch of different you know, little sections on it. They have these things at the top, which I don't even know how to work these. I never usually use that anyways with a laptop. Comes with like the control, the alt, the command, and guess what, you guys, it also lights up. So you just need to turn it on and press the little button. And what I didn't know, I thought it comes with 1 color, but no, if you click this again, the color changes. So just watch. It was like, I was shocked when I clicked the button. I was actually just turning the light off, and then it started changing. I was like, wait, there's multiple different colors on here. So that was really cool. This is my favorite, by the way. We have this like lime green, we have purple, we had red, we had blue. This, like, I had no clue the actual keyboard light changes, but I'm gonna turn mine off just to save the battery. So yeah, we have that. And then also to connect it, you want to press this connect button right here. You want to hold it until the Bluetooth light starts flashing, and then you're gonna go to your settings. On my tablet case, I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth settings really quick. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the keyboard right here. You just click Bluetooth keyboard, and I'm gonna change, can I change the name? Oh yeah, I can change the name to Rokia's keyboard. Ooh. Oh, duh, it's connected. I'm trying to type on the screen and the keyboard wasn't showing up. I forgot it was connected already to this keyboard. So we're gonna type. Like, look how easier that makes it. I'm gonna make it capitalized. How do I do that? Caps lock. We're gonna put it capitalized, and then Rokia's. Okay, so I changed the name to Rokia's keyboard, and yeah, you guys, that was so easy to connect. It was that fast. Yeah, I didn't even realize it connected that fast. I was like trying to type with the screen and it already connected. So yeah, you guys, that's really it. And it also comes with this little manual, which shows you how to connect it. It shows you like the little detail, like everything on the keyboard, charging, like when it's charging or when it's dead, it'll turn red/orange. Yeah, and then the steps to connect it, which is really cool. They also offer a warranty, which is really nice because like with things like this, they never really offer warranties, so that's great that they do offer a warranty. And then yeah, so it just shows you all the other functions at the top right here, which if you guys get when you guys get your case, you can check that out. And yeah, so I really have nothing bad to say about this. If I'm done using the keyboard, just turn it off so I don't waste the battery. Yeah, it's really amazing actually. I'm really happy with the actual keyboard and the case. Like, let's get into this case, you guys. Like, this is amazing quality. So this is what the case looks like without the keyboard in it. It literally closes, just like this. Really nice, sleek. Then you add the keyboard back in here, right here. Sticks right away. Make it straight. Close that. And you got your keyboard and your freaking tablet case, your tablet, everything in one. Yeah, I really love this. I do feel like this case is very protective. Like, my tablet is really in there really nicely too. And then they have these like little raised edges. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like these little ridges right here, which if it falls, it will definitely be protected. So yeah, I really have nothing bad to say about this product because I really love it. They also were kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. So if you look in the description, you can use the little discount code to get a little percentage off of your order if you go ahead and buy this product. And I also left the link to the actual product page in the description for you guys to check out. But yeah, I really have nothing bad to say about this case. I'm definitely gonna be using it. Let me show you guys my poor laptop. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, it still works. And then also, like, I go back and forth between my mom and my dad's house, like visiting, and nobody wants to carry an extra thing. Like, I'm gonna bring my tablet and my laptop to work on patterns or like schoolwork. Nobody wants to do all of that. So the fact that I can just bring my tablet and it comes with a keyboard, like if I didn't even want to bring my tablet, I can literally just bring the keyboard with me and use it on my phone. So yeah, I love this. My favorite part is that the keyboard is detachable, so I can literally connect the keyboard to my phone and type with my phone with the keyboard. So yeah, I'm like so excited about this. When I first opened it, I wish I would have got that on camera, but I was so excited I just had to open it right away. And I was also live when I opened it, so if you guys want to see like my first expression opening it, because at one point I forgot that the case was coming. So when I opened the package, I was like, wait, what is this? And then I was like, oh my god, it's the tablet case. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, go to the end of my last video to see. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out the description so that you can get your own tablet case with the keyboard. And yeah, and also check out the discount code in the description. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.
I have a present for you.
What is that? I don't know. It's right here. I can't remember. Let's open it. Let's do a little commercial break. Unboxing.
Promoting Amazon. That's so cool.
Make sure I don't show my address. Oh, great. We got another bag. Another package in here. Oh my god. Oh, I know what this is. Oh my god, you guys. I know what this is.
It's my keyboard.
So I'm working with this company on Amazon who sells keyboards. And don't make the noise. They sell this particular. Close the door. This particular brand or sells tablet cases, and then I got this Bluetooth keyboard. I got this little keyboard. Oh my god,
They're
guys.
not. They don't.
It goes with my. They can't see it.
That's not.
Look,
fair.
it's from my tablet. I'm so excited because somebody broke my laptop, so I had to get, not her, but I had to get a keyboard. Oh my gosh!